It seems like there are hints of life in the market today. The cost of Shiba Inu increased. The neighborhood is content. Signals are being dropped by analysts. There has been a huge spike noted. There are almost 1 trillion Shiba Inu is gone. The weird part comes next. Another shocking revelation recently surfaced. The formal prohibition on Shiba Inu has been lifted. What's going on? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu is having a hectic day. The cost just skyrocketed. We're climbing around 3.72% today, and the community is humming with enthusiasm. Shiba Inu seems to have sprung straight back into action after yesterday's plodding, somewhat dull price activity, which included brief dips that left many wondering what would happen next. The atmosphere has now changed entirely. The traditional enthusiasm is returning, confidence is growing, and the bulls are taking over. This kind of day serves as a reminder to everyone of the reasons they like this symbol. Shiba Inu moves and catches everyone's attention once again just when it seems like everything is peaceful. This is the exciting part, however. This price pump isn't just any old one. Analysts are speculating about a potential breakthrough since Shiba Inu has really moved into a critical area. If momentum continues to develop, the current situation might lead to Shiba Inu going on an even greater run. According to the charts, Shiba Inu just overcame a long-standing resistance level that had been preventing it from rising. It is now positioned close to a significant retracement level, which traders keep a careful eye on since a break above it might signal a much more robust rise in the future. The formation of a typical bullish pattern, a structure that often indicates a change from gradual movement to a full-on breakout, is one of the main items attracting attention at the moment. Just above Shiba Inu's current location is the crucial level to observe. A strong surge from here would be the next significant goal, and if the price goes beyond this, it may initiate a larger rally. Additionally, momentum indicators are showing a green flash. The trend is strengthening, and the purchasing pressure is increasing. We may soon see a larger price growth as the market is heating up and the pressure continues. Another indication that bulls are now in charge is the price's continued strength above a significant moving average. Of course, things aren't always easy. Before a more significant move occurs, Shiba Inu may pull back if it loses momentum and falls below important support zones. For now, however, the arrangement is intriguing. Additionally, this breakout can be the start of something greater if all goes according to plan. However, you may be questioning why. What is the real reason behind this price movement? Let's take a moment to zoom out and see the wider picture. As it happens, Bitcoin is also moving. It dropped to the mid-90 area, then it recovered and is now holding stable at a somewhat higher level. Additionally, as we have often seen, Shiba Inu and the rest of the market follow Bitcoin's movements. The rationale, then? It all seems to boil down to the recent policy changes made by the U.S. Federal Reserve. You see, the markets were being given a curveball by inflation. The most recent figures exceeded expectations, forcing everyone to reconsider the Fed's potential next move. Markets initially fell as a result, but Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies quickly recovered. The fascinating thing about this response is that it differs from previous ones. Investors would often flee in response to concerns about inflation and postponed rate reduction, but this time they stood firm, and that type of tenacity is drawing notice. It seems as if the market is beginning to see inflation threats differently, and rather than panicking, there is a prevailing sense of trust in cryptocurrency as a hedge. Here's the weird part, however. Whales may be indicating that a huge event is imminent. Exchange inflows have skyrocketed, which may indicate that the cryptocurrency market is preparing for yet another significant shift if history is any indication. Analysts say that something out of the ordinary is taking place. Whale transfers to exchanges have increased to levels we haven't seen in over 5 years, according to data from CryptoQuant, and that's a significant issue. When this kind of action increases, a significant price change often follows. The whale exchange ratio is one important indicator to keep an eye on. It monitors the proportion of top inflows that originate from the largest players. It surged to a level we haven't seen since December, when Bitcoin was hinting at all-time highs on February 12th, and it's not just whales doing moves. After months of selling off their holdings, cryptocurrency miners are now clinging to their currencies. Usually, it indicates that they anticipate price increases. This kind of change, in which miners cease selling, has actually often signaled the end of a cycle before the market recovers. In light of the miners' perseverance and the whales filling up, there seems to be a significant event approaching. In what time frame will it occur? For Shiba Inu, this may be absolutely enormous. As everyone knows, when Bitcoin moves, it doesn't stop there. It causes the whole market to tremble. What about meme coins? They have a way of taking those waves and making them even more bizarre. Shiba Inu may be in for a wild ride if Bitcoin is really preparing for a significant breakthrough. There are already indications that Shiba Inu is gaining significant traction. Key resistance levels are being challenged, the price action seems to be robust, and experts are beginning to conjecture that a breakthrough may be imminent. The situation is now looking even brighter as miners are hanging onto their coins rather than selling them, and Bitcoin whales are making moves. Bitcoin will attract a lot of attention to the market again if it begins to surge forcefully. And Shiba Inu may stand to gain the most from all of that excitement. Furthermore, when the market is favorable, Shiba Inu have a history of making bold decisions. It has previously gone on wild rallies, and with this type of momentum building, there's a good probability that we'll see something similar occur once again. Is the Shiba Inu poised to reach new heights? Certainly, that is not impossible. A significant enough push can rekindle the excitement, attract new customers, and cause the price to soar. Are we at last going to be able to recoup all of those losses? Is the era of sluggish, annoying pricing movement really over? That's the major question, then. Although anything might happen in the market, one thing is certain. This might be the beginning of something big, and things are heating up quickly. And that's not all. Amidst the surge in interest in cryptocurrency, South Korea just delivered a huge bombshell. They have formally made room for further prospects in the cryptocurrency industry. Yes, Shiba Inu are included in it. The financial regulator in South Korea has finally removed its 7-year prohibition on institutional investors trading cryptocurrency. It's a big thing. Globally, there has been an increase in demand for cryptocurrency investment products. Currently, South Korea is joining the fray. Later this year, businesses that are listed on the local stock market will be able to trade digital assets on a trial basis under the new regulation. This implies that large sums of money from a nation that has historically shown a keen interest in online currencies may begin to pour into the cryptocurrency market. This is revolutionary for Shiba Inu. Although South Korea has long been a major center for cryptocurrency, institutional investors were kept out of the market by stringent rules. We may see a surge of fresh cash entering the market now that the gates are finally opened. And Shiba Inu has a genuine chance to gain significantly from its robust network and expanding ecology. Projects like Shiba Inu may gain a whole new degree of credibility and visibility as a result of the large institutions impending legal cryptocurrency trading in South Korea. Price action isn't the only factor here. Long-term adoption is at issue. Greater legitimacy from additional institutions might pave the way for even more significant future actions for Shiba Inu. The really thrilling portion, however, comes next. Shiba Inu has evolved from a mere meme. From Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain, to its growing ecosystem of various technologies, it offers genuine benefit. Shiba Inu is establishing itself as more than simply a speculative asset with this sort of growth. It is emerging as a major force in the larger cryptocurrency market, and this could just be the start. We may see a worldwide adoption surge that propels Shiba Inu to unprecedented heights if other nations begin to loosen limitations on cryptocurrency investments, as South Korea has done. Is this the beginning of Shiba Inu becoming a popular digital asset? We certainly seem to be moving in that way. Shiba Inu's vibrant community and creative ideas may pave the way for something much larger as cryptocurrency continues to develop. Furthermore, the future seems more optimistic than ever as key markets like South Korea are already embracing the field and turning around now. Not only Bitcoin is seeing a sharp increase in value. With an astounding 1 trillion tokens pouring into whale accounts overnight, Shiba Inu recently garnered news as well. Shiba Inu whales collected over twice as much tokens in the last 24 hours alone, according to Into the Block. Whale wallets saw a sharp increase in overall inflows, worth an astounding 1 trillion Shiba Inu coins, demonstrating how the largest players are covertly accumulating. Furthermore, these wallets aren't your typical ones. The reduction was made only by those who controlled a significant portion of the circulating supply. It wasn't all inflows, of course. Although some whales did remove tokens, the day's overall flow was still quite good. It's a startling shift from the day before. Here's why it matters that Shiba Inu accumulation has significantly increased, indicating that the largest holders may be getting ready for something significant. Whale piling up is often not a random occurrence. It often conveys assurance about what will happen next. This kind of accumulation may indicate that larger swings are imminent, given that Shiba Inu is already displaying positive indicators on the charts and the increasing enthusiasm in the cryptocurrency industry. Is this the beginning of another significant rally? Shiba Inu have a knack of shocking everyone when things appear peaceful, if history is any indication. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.